Good morning everyone, so we're first night here at Awinya Creek. We just woke up this morning. Now, I don't know if I explained it properly yesterday, but basically we ended up camping up in what looks like a car park, but I think it actually is a campsite, but it's just not, it's not as nice as some of the other ones. But I'm kind of glad we did, because we're meant to get bigger tides tomorrow, and the tide is already lapping up at our doorstep. So it's crazy how big these tides are. And like, if you come down here, you can see the other people, they're actually getting slammed right now. Because it seems to be still coming in. So yeah, it's nuts how big these tides are at the moment. Like I said yesterday, it's due to a cyclone off the coast, and yeah, it's just making the tides all massive. But yeah, anyway, we're gonna just have a pretty chill day today, I think. Might do a bit of fishing. Hopefully we'll catch some decent fish. We might be able to have fish and chips for dinner. Yeah. Alright, so I'm going to try and film this really quick and a bit quietly, but tonight should be a very special night because hopefully, if she doesn't come, hopefully tonight I'm going to actually propose to Olivia. I've been planning this for months, and yeah, I was really hoping we got good weather on the west side because I knew exactly how I was going to do it. But yeah, hopefully now if the weather's all good, it will be happening tonight if it wants to focus, but I don't think it will. Anyway, you'll see it, I'm sure you'll see it a bit later. But yeah, I'm going to go now and get prepped for that. But yeah, basically we did nothing all day and been kind of planning out how I was going to do it. Anyway, see you guys later when I do it. Alrighty, let's go and give Liv hers for breakfast. Livy! Yeah? Come here! Breakfast for my queen. G'day everyone, how are we going? Welcome back to another video. So obviously you can just see I'm cooking up some breakfast for me and Liv. Just having some bacon and egg wraps, just something real simple. today I think we're going to end up going to Awinya Creek. We should go there for a day and just kind of chill out and, you know, take in the sights and stuff. We've got to try and time the tides though, because as I've said in previous videos, the tides are crazy and they're extremely high. So, and I've just lost my bacon. So yeah, we're just going to have to try and time that right. We'll probably go the inland track there, and then hopefully if the tide goes out enough we can take the beach road or beach back. But yeah, it just all depends on the tides for now. So yeah, anyway, we'll finish cooking up breakfast and then we'll get into it. Alright, so I thought I'd take a quick second to actually explain where we've been on our trip. So this is a whole map of Fraser. The tips are right up there. This is Inskip Point and Hook Point down here. So basically, the first night we stayed at SS Dorigo down there, which is right on the Inskip Peninsula. Then we woke up really early that morning, drove to the tip here and went across. Then from there we went straight up the side of the island, all the way up the east side, up to our first stop, which was Yurong, which is there. We came in here, we were going to go to the bakery and stuff, but it was just absolutely packed, so we didn't end up doing that. Then we kept going up to Happy Valley. We stopped there. No, actually we didn't. We went straight to a campsite, which was in these two here, the Eli and oh come on, focus, Gullarai camping zones. I don't know why it's struggling to focus so much. Which was here. So we found a campsite right in the top of the Gullarai, or Gullaroo, don't know how you pronounce it one, there, and then we could get stuff from Happy Valley as we needed it. Then we went, the next day I think it was, we went to Eli Creek, the Mahino, which is up there somewhere, yeah, just there, it's really hard to see, but it's right there. And then we went up to Champagne Pools, which is all the way up there, but the car park was packed, and we went to Orchid Beach and got some stuff from there. Then the next day we decided to do that trip all again to try and go to Nagala Rocks, which is up there, and go all the way up to the lighthouse at Sandy Cape. But Nagala Rocks, there was about a 30 car lineup, as you would have seen in the other video, and it was just packed, so we didn't end up doing that. Was that all we did? And then I think so, wasn't it? We didn't do anything else, did we? Yeah. Alright, so then after that, from our campsite here at Gullarai, we went up to this blue line here to Warrelai Road and made our way across the island, following this Warrelai Road all the way across to Warrelai Creek camping ground, which is where we are now, which is a beautiful spot. So yesterday we kind of just had a full chill out day, just a good day to relax and everything. Ended up losing my drone in the ocean, so it wasn't that great, but it made it up a lot better when I proposed to my lovely girlfriend Olivia. Anyway, today though, we're going to go from Warrelai Creek, so we're going to go up to Awinya Creek, but to do that we're going to go inland first to this track here, and then go up to there. And then we're going to wait for the tides, because the tides are still really high at the moment. And then once the tides drop down a bit, we'll come back down the beach, straight back to our camp zone here. And then tomorrow, we'll probably go down to Coongal Creek and have a look at that down there. But we have to cross, I can't remember where the creek is exactly, the big one that's tidal. I don't know if it's that one there or if it's up a bit further, but there is a creek along here somewhere that we have to watch out for the tides. But yeah, I just thought I'd do a quick actual explanation of where we've been and what we've been doing, because I didn't really do that properly and haven't really shown you guys yeah, where we've actually been. But anyway, we're going to just get ready now. We're just finishing packing up and let's have a bit of breakfast and stuff. And then yeah, we're going to head to Awinya.
You ready to go to Awinya Creek?
Yeah. Alright, so we made it to the Awinya Creek crossing, and it is ridiculously high because of the tides. It's right up here. So as you can see, well, it's starting here, you got to go all the way across over to there. There's a high tide mark back up over there behind Jonty's car. There's a high tide mark. So It's still running out now. So Connor's going to go first in his troopy. I'm going to park up here because I've got a winch and we're just going to make sure. We've already walked it. It's only like knee deep, but just better safe than sorry. So yeah, we'll get it going now. Alright, so we ended up coming back from Awinya Creek ages ago. I just didn't film anything when we came back, but you would have seen the water crossing we did. It was quite deep. It was, yeah, like very long compared to what it usually is. We ended up coming back to the beach, and instead of taking an hour and a half on the inland track, it took about 10 minutes, if that. But now we just chilled for the rest of the arvo, and we're just deep frying some stuff today. I bought some oil and I put it in the Dutch oven, and then we got veggie samosas, spring rolls, we got Jonty drinking a beer, and we've already done money bags, and now we're going to do some chicken tenders as well that are here. These are the boys, and we're going to make some hot chips because they've got garlic dip and I'm keen for that. Anyway guys, I think that'll be it for tonight, and I'll see you all in the morning. Bye. There's a massive boat out there, like on the left side of the suspension of the trail looks a bit lower. That is completely gone. We finally found the entrance to the Z-Force camps. Oh wow, okay, so that's pretty cool. We finally made it to Lake Mackenzie.